Well, I had this all figured out, and for some reason I bought this, and I had already made one, and I didn't even use my head when I bought it, is because I'm not sure if it'll work with the heads off the truck. We'll have to compress that spring and see if we can push it out, I guess. I don't think that's gonna work. I really don't want to smash on this valve. Oh boy, those are tight. Well, it may work. It may work. Well, so far so good. Just gonna put seals in this, and put seals in it and not change the springs, I think, because I'm not putting a cam in it. Just normal stock rebuilds where we can get it to smog. And hopefully it'll work. I'll lap the valves. But other than that, we're not going to really do anything. We just need to do it like this. All right. Oh, this is going to be a mess. I keep dropping everything. Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, I'm going to get a block of wood to put this on. And I'm going to put you guys in time-lapse mode because this will be just ridiculous to film everything. I know the audio's bad on the video, but I'm just saying that I ordered a tool and it wasn't right for the job, but it worked anyways. And I'm not changing the springs. It's just going to be a stock rebuild for the motor because I'm not putting a cam in it. I'm not going crazy doing anything. This is just going to go in a stock truck, and I'll rebuild it and get it on the road. All right, there it is. 198.5, and I did scale test that. I actually took it to my work and scale tested it, so it's 0.2 pounds off. I didn't feel it merited me taking it apart and adjusting it, but no crank, no cam bearings, nothing. Not even the oil expansion plug in the front or the back or wherever it is. I don't know. But put it up on the board. So hopefully we'll write that down somewhere permanent like, and I'm gonna hang the rest of the heads and stuff and do individually what they weigh compared to the iron LS heads. And we'll see the big difference. And 317 head from that 2003 block, that block. 20.5, no valves, no valve springs, nothing. Just a clean head, so that's pretty light. When I get it cleaned and put back together, I'll re-weigh it so we can actually see, and then I'll weigh the iron heads. And I think I have, I don't know, up there somewhere I have some 241 heads from a 2000 Camaro, so off of a 5.7. So I'll do that to those too. Maybe they're heavier because the combustion chamber's smaller, so there's more aluminum there. I'll get back to you.